Uh-huh.
Why you can't bend down?
Yeah. Look at the dog. The cat peed on me right here on my leg, on my pants. Look at all that cat hair.
I'm right here. It's okay.
Yeah. We got the veterinarian taking my cat. We have an old cat. With cheesesteak. I made some videos on cheesecake. We call it some of us call them cheesesteaks, some of us call them cheesecake. But either way, the cat's 108 years old.
In human years.
In human
Oh,
years.
he's bleeding.
In 18 where?
Where's he bleeding? His
His paws. Yeah, 'cause he fell off on my arm.
Oh.
He fell on my arm.
Let's see. Let him walk around.
Tell the doctor, tell the veterinarian that he walked, that he fell down. Yes, this is the cat right there. See, he's limping.